Welcome to St. George International School. It's a 2-year-old school which was opened in the year 2018 June in Kottapalli, Karimnagar, Telangana State. It's a co-educated school managed by Pothireddy Educational Society. The school got affiliated to the Central Board of Secondary Education in October 2019 up to secondary level. The first batch of 10th will write their boards in March 2021. The vision of St. George International Schools, nurturing the future citizens with holistic education to compete the global challenges. At present, we have 320 students from 1st to 10th standard. The total area of the school is 10,219 square meters. The built-up area is 1,394 square meters and the area of playground is 8,825 square meters. There is only one main gate and it is guarded by security personnel 24/7. This is the guards room. This is the parking area where the staff park their two-wheelers. This is the area where we park the transport vehicles. This is the playground. St. George International School offers various sports for the physical development of the students. This is the basketball court. This is the badminton court. This is the handball court. This is the volleyball court. This is the kabaddi court. This is the netball court, push-ups area and huddles area. This is the Pakka boundary wall which surrounds the whole school. This is the main stage which is used to celebrate annual day function. This is the place where the staff and students assemble for daily morning assembly. Our assembly activities would include thought for the day, news reading, skits by children and importance of a particular day. The assembly would be class-wise and each and every child right from grade 1 is encouraged to speak in the assembly so that their speaking skills would improve. This is our new office room. This is our small garden. Lush green premises are our top priority. This is the small entrance which permits only office staff to enter. We have long corridors. These are the display boards displaced in the long corridors. All the classes take part in decorating the boards periodically. Now I am taking you to the classrooms. This is grade 1. It is a very big, well ventilated and beautifully designed. This is grade 2. This room is colorfully designed to make it interesting for the kids. This is grade 3. Each room has a green board to explain the concepts to the children. This is grade 4. We have display boards to display the students' activities in the classes. This is grade 5. The furniture is comfortable according to the height and level of the children. This is grade 6. Each and every class has individual locker to reduce the burden of the school bags. All the classrooms are under CCTV observation. Not only classrooms, even in the veranda. This is grade 7. This is grade 8. This is grade 9. Now I am taking you to the first floor. This is grade 10. This is the sports room. This room is also used to play indoor games like table tennis, caroms, chess, etc. Here we keep all the sports equipment. Physical education teacher issues the sports equipment to the students. We have basketballs, tennis rackets, etc. The physical education teacher sits here. We have 2 qualified sports teachers, male and female. This is the art and craft room. We appointed well-trained and qualified art and craft teacher to create the cultural and aesthetic awareness among the students. Art and craft also forms an important part of the curriculum, and we have a very well trained and qualified teacher. These are creative works exhibited by the students. This is the music and yoga room. It's a multi-purpose activity room used for both yoga and music classes. We have two musical instruments, tabla and piano. Trained teachers are available to train the children. This is the dance room. Students come here to learn and practice dance under the guidance of the dance master. This is the AV room. Students come here regularly for visual presentations. This is the special educators room. This is the place where the special educator sits. The teacher interacts with the staff members to help them with their teaching learning process. This is the staff room where the staff sit. This is the computer lab with internet connection. 24 computers have been installed in the lab. A comfortable seating arrangement is provided for children. We have a green board to explain the concepts. This is the math lab. Right from grade 1, come here for their math lab activities. teachers design a variety of activities to make the concepts clear to the students. Here different types of charts, teaching material, teachers' tools related to their concepts are displayed. This is our biolab. Students from 6th visit this lab. We have all required charts and practical equipment which are related to concepts of the curriculum. We have racks for keeping all lab equipment. Running water facility available in biolab. Pics of few scientists are displayed here so that children can come to know about their inventions and discoveries. This is the register of biolab maintained by the in-charge teacher. This is our physics lab. The apparatus which are present here would help the children to do various activities related to their concepts in the curriculum. This is the stock register of physics lab. This is our chemistry lab. This is periodic table. This lab is equipped in such a way to conduct experiments till grade 12. Running water facility available here. This is the stock register of chemistry lab. This is our composite science lab. Where primary children come here to do various science activities. This is our library. In library, we have a comfortable seating arrangement and it is well ventilated. We have total 2,848 books in our library. We get 13 periodicals and 6 newspapers per month. Books are separated according to their category. Librarian is well trained and maintain the records. These are girls' washrooms. Female helpers are always available here. These are boys' toilets. In each floor, on either side we have washrooms, one for boys and one for girls. Now I am taking you to the additional rooms available in the first floor. This is additional room 1 with furniture. This is additional room 2 with furniture. This is the additional room 3 with furniture. The school has fire safety equipment in each and every floor, which is maintained thoroughly from time to time by well-trained personnel. A fire safety certificate is issued to our school by the fire department. We have our own water plant which provides safe drinking water to our children. We also have obtained Safe Drinking Water Certificate from Telangana government. It is being renewed every year after inspection by the department concerned. This is the wellness room. We have a nurse here throughout the day to help children with first aid and minor ailments. This is the counselor's room. Whenever there is a need for the counseling of students, we use this room. Now I'll take you to the second floor where there are another 12 additional rooms which are getting ready. The flooring work is pending in the second floor, hence we closed all the ways which lead to the second floor with grills like this. These grills are locked all the time, preventing the entry of any person or child to the second floor. Now we are opening the grills. I am taking you to the second floor. The railing has to be fixed here. We have 12 rooms in second floor for 11th and 12th grades. We also have auditorium and washrooms in this floor. Only flooring work is pending in this floor. It would be ready very shortly for use. Thank you.